Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are actually going to be making this oversized coaster, and I'm filming it this way because even though it's a coaster that can be used for a wine glass, I actually have a candle holder on top of it, and I wanted to do that just to show you that you can use this oversized look to add like a lot of accents and highlights to your table and to make it a little bit more blinged out if you're hosting a baby shower or a bridal shower or some kind of holiday or festive occasion where you want your table to really pop. This is a really easy way to do it. So without further ado, let me show you the tools I used to make this look. For this project, I used Circle Floral Foam, E6000 glue, black shelf liner, silver spray paint, and silver diamond wrap. I'm going to need 2 pieces of the shelf wrap for the coaster, one for the top and one for the bottom. So I'm just going to use this as my template and trace around it and cut out 2 circles. It was really hard to see on this surface. I didn't have any chalk to really make a line that I could see, so I ended up cutting out a pattern in some regular paper and then using this and cutting around it. Now that I have my 2 shelf liner pieces, I am going to measure the diamond wrap around the styrofoam circle. And once I have that measured, I am going to take this styrofoam circle outside and spray paint it silver. What I love about this diamond wrap is there's so many different patterns that you can take out of it. But because this is such a narrow margin that I have to work with, I just decided to do these 2 pieces, which fit perfectly. Now that my styrofoam piece is painted and dried, it's time to put everything together. So I'm going to start off by adding the shelf liner pieces to the top and bottom of the coaster. I've added the shelf liner to each side. And I just wanted to quickly say that when you're adding this, make sure that you just do a very thin layer of glue and try to do one side at a time because this is very permeous and the glue will come right through onto your hands if you try to do both sides at once. And it may stick to a surface if you put it down to dry. My final step is to add the diamond wrap, so I'm going to do that next and show you the final result. This is the final result. Super easy, super cute, and super fun. I love this. I love how it turned out. And just remember, if you do decide to make this, you can make this in any color that you want. You can make it for a themed baby shower with the rhinestone wrap as a blue or a pink color. And you can also choose to change the shelf liner into a more neutral color if you want it to contrast or blend in better with your diamond wrap. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.